The home improvements bobsleigh team. Hello and welcome to the Home Improvements channel. Today's episode we will be installing a computer desk, laptop or PC in this alcove because we have no other uses for it and this house is very shitty.
Oh wow! Whoa. Jesus Christ! They don't make things like they. What have you done?
As you can see, we have made space for our new desk by carefully removing the dildo rail. The next job is going to be to install some batons. This is a bit over the top, but what are you going to do? Eh? So a little bit of 2x2 will do it, or 1x2. Just trying to put a baton around this edge.
Jack, act busy.
The Batons at 800, this is for the keyboard. I'm just going to mark this in with a pencil. Cheers. Don't get in the way of the laser, otherwise you'll have a nightmare. Cheers. We've lined that wood up with our laser. Ooh. Look, as I do that, yummy. Right, now I'm going to pre-drill the wood with a wood bit, and then I'm going to drill it with a bloody other bit. I don't know what it's called.
Yes. Masonry bit, Jack. It's a masonry bit.
Cheers.
Quick little one. If you don't want to keep pulling this off, putting it on, you can get away with putting it on loosely on the end. We're not screwing it in and opening the plug up. We just literally got it so it's in there. I'm going to slide it in. I'm going to tip, tap, 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 tap. We're not trying to bash it into the moon. So now that's in there. And we're going to use our impact driver, combi driver, 17 driver, whatever you like. Hand screwdriver if you're an absolute maniac. Now, so here we have some western cedar wood from America, long time, blah, blah, blah. Because walls are wibbly wobbly, we just make ourselves a little jig out of scrap, stick some ends on, make sure they're nice and square, and what we can do is we can use this on our wood. So now we haven't got to do any work. Talking bullshit.
Oh, you need this? You need this whole thing?
Yeah,
I thought you cut yours up, man.
Oh, he hasn't cut it?
No.
Oh, it's fresh edge. We'll just use this one. This is battered as well. Not very good. Now you can see it's a nice fit, couple mil gap on that. What do you want from me? So, the reason I overcut it, now you can see. So you've got a good 15-20 mil on this end. But down this side, ignore this is some temporary, disgusting. You've only got a 5 mil gap that needs cutting. So that's why you're better off to overcut it if you can squeeze it in there. And we're just going to mark there, mark our other corner and zip, or zip, 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 zip.
What the hell? I just pulled it. Come on.
We're going to bullnose our front edges just to make it a bit nicer. But if you haven't got one, you can use a hand sandpaper and just roll the front edge off.
Just running out for the LEDs. Right, we're just going to drill some holes for the wires.
Or something, but we don't know what we.
Hello. Sweet.
We're just marking some upstains. for
The
little
support.
top shelf that we're going to put in for the monitor. Because our alcove is very shallow. If you've got a deep alcove, then obviously you can do something fancy.
We're at a stage now where we've got all the MDF fixed in place. We've caulked all the edges ready for painting. And the first step is to
Go steady hand.
prime these edges. Get yourself some MDF primer and just splodge it on there, nothing special. There you sand it. You give it 2 minutes. It fills all the little holes in the divots, so when you go over it with your top coat, it'll be nice and flat and smooth, just like the top.
Dude. Jack, why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Jack's so happy.
So emotional about the table.
You ready?
Jack's allergic.
Right, let's go.
Wrap it up.
Recording.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jack's got allergic.
reaction.
Look at him.
To the
He can't
paint.
find any horses. It's all got a lick of paint on it.
Bare flowers.
Delicious. Beautiful flowers.
Beautiful
now-
lights.
We've managed to use the little alcove as a little desk now. So it's delicious. Put some shiny lights in.